This is the final look. Hey guys, peace here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that we are at 1,000 subscribers now. Oh my god, those who are new to my channel, karibuni sana sana sana. I'm so happy that you decided to make this choice to join my subscribers, and I promise I'm not going to disappoint you. So today I'm going to be showing you my foundation routine. If you follow me on my socials, people have been asking me, you know what vloggers say, but yeah, I've received a few comments saying that I show them my foundation routine, and especially being a dark skinned girl, it's so difficult to find foundation that, you know, matches your skin tone and works with you. And I have honestly struggled. I have really struggled to find that foundation, but finally I do. I have found a foundation that matches my skin tone properly. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. Nabila kuongea sana, let's get on to today's video. So this is the foundation that I'm going to be using, and this is Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in shade 360. Now this foundation is now this foundation is for oily and normal skin. Yeah, so that's why I go for it, because my face or my skin is oily. And also when I was looking for this foundation, I really struggled with matching my shade first of all, and also getting a foundation that is my undertone. I have a red undertone, so the foundation that I was applying before, let me show you guys. Let me show you. So this is the foundation that I was using before, and this is still the same brand, but guess what shade this is? This is in shade 375. So you can imagine 375 and 360. Totally different. Like, you can see the shades are so different. This is very, very dark, and that's why it was making me look like White Walker. Yeah, actually when I would apply it, I would look so gray, and everyone would be like, so, like, your foundation isn't matching. It isn't. So the lady who sold me this from Maybelline told me is that this foundation, they no longer make this. They no longer make glass bottles. So when you buy a foundation and you find that it's packaged like this, first of all, no, it's counterfeit. Okay, so maybe that's why it was actually, you know, reacting with my skin. I'm not going to say where I bought this. I do not want to be sued. So this I bought at a Maybelline stand at Super Cosmetics in town. Tuanze na foundation sasa. So the first hack I will give you is that if you want your foundation to really blend with your skin, is you layer your foundation. This I learned from Joanna Kenothia, and also from James Charles. So by layering, I mean you apply a little and then you blend, then you apply more, you blend like that. Okay, so I've already moisturized my skin. Then you can mess up. I was going to forget primer. I'm going to be using this primer. This is the Maybelline Super Stiff Primer, and it's good for oily skin, but it's chapad. The label has chapad, so you can't even see the name. It's actually really helped with my oiliness, you guys. So if you have oily skin, try it. So first things first is that I do primer, and I concentrate more on my T-zone, like around this area where it gets more oily, in my forehead a little, and then the other parts I apply kidogo si sana. So I have already done my eyes, my eye makeup, and now I'm a pro at putting on false lashes, you guys. Yeah, tutorial coming soon. I like foundation that have like a pump. But this one, when I pour, it just pours everywhere and then it spills. Not cute. So I'm just putting it on my hand. And then Loise spray some setting spray on the beauty blender, and then blend the foundation. This makes it easier for the foundation to blend on your face because the beauty blender is now damp. So you see what I was saying? It's really sucks all your products. So that is me with my first layer. So if you want more coverage, you go on now with the second layer. So I'm just repeating the process. Take the beauty blender, spray some setting spray, and blend. I don't know if you're far away, let me bring you closer. What? So another challenge I find when applying makeup is because I wear glasses, the makeup smudges, it's called smudging around this area, and I really do not like that. I'm still to find a solution for that, but it's really annoying. So here I'm just covering the parts that I feel like they haven't been covered by the foundation completely, and also focusing on the areas that I have like rashes and two spots. Yeah, now I've covered my dark circles. And then another tip for you guys, when applying foundation, do not blend like this. Just pat foundation into your skin. This really helps with the blending, and it's going to look seamless. Don't forget to blend around your hairline. And your ears. I feel like it's blended pretty well. I'm going to take the remaining foundation on my palm and apply along my jawline and on my neck. It's okay for you to apply it like this on your neck, because the face is where you need to really blend. And I need a mirror. One I had broke, so. And then I'm going to set my foundation with this Maybelline Fit Me in shade 340 Cappuccino. I'm going to use this brush. This is just a generic brush kutoka Du Bois. So instead of now doing this, I'm just going to pat it on my face again to make sure that it blends now with the foundation. Then I'm going to set my foundation with this. This is the Kleancolor Concealer makeup setting spray. I really want to buy the MAC setting spray. I think it goes for like 3 or 4K. It's really good for oily skin, but it's so expensive, bruh. Ooh, okay. This is the final look. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. If you did, remember to click the subscribe button if you haven't. If you've subscribed, let me know in the comment section what you thought about this video. I am going to link down the stuff that I used under the description box, so check out for that, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, choose kindness, and of course remember to be safe. Bye.